Good morning, good evening, good night, and good afternoon. Welcome to Crex. My name is Wiki. Every day on this channel, I give you all the updates, news, analysis, and whatever is going on in the crypto world. Today's video, guys, I want to talk to you about Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market in general and how it's right now in a little bit of a mini crash between the bull run which we are in still right now. Yes, guys, you heard me correctly. We are still in the bull market, and this is just a mini correction or more like a mini manipulation right now in the market, which is good news because I've just got the right data historically to prove you why is it good to have such crashes and why this crash is happening. Before I do that, I would also like you to recommend, please like, subscribe, and share this video so that YouTube can know there's more crypto people out there, and it just increases our crypto army status in the world, in the wide world. Because you need to remember, right now we have very few people who are into crypto, so each and every like you do, each and every share you do means big right now, because not many people are doing it, and you could be the initial marketeers of crypto, which will eventually bring more people into crypto, because that's going to happen eventually. But if you can fast track it, if you can play your part in it, then you are benefiting from it. Because if you are also liking, sharing crypto videos or watching crypto videos, that means you are in the crypto market, which means it's good news that you are lucky enough to be an early adopter in crypto. At the same time, you will make money along the way. Now, a lot of you might not be there in crypto for in the next 1 year or 2 or 4. Now, if you see my previous video where I gave you the timeline of exactly how much time you need to be in crypto to make serious money, if you haven't watched that video, please go ahead and check that video out. It's just the video before this one, so which tells you exactly how long you need to be in crypto to make money. Now, a lot of people will shake off, a lot of people will bring more new people in, and there will be the solid money makers and investors and traders who will stick in this market for a long run, like myself and others who will do the same, and others who have been doing the same and have been making huge amount of money in the last 4 years or 10 years since crypto has been in this world. Now, guys, today's video I want to discuss about why the markets are crashing right now. Well, surprise, surprise, we have again one more time the manipulation coming from the Chinese market, from the Chinese government. Now, before I got into the Chinese government, now whenever I talk about China, it's not in a negative way. It's just the truth, what is happening politically and what political parties are doing so in order to fill up their pockets. They don't care about, their own people or anybody else. Politicians, they only care about their pocket. Unfortunately, this is the world we live in right now. We cannot find sincere, proper, market-driven or good-hearted politicians right now in the market anymore. Well, why the market is crashing? First of all, September has been always the worst month for Bitcoin. Since history, each and every September, each year becomes one of the worst months for crypto in general. So why was this September any different? Well, that's why we are having right now a crash. And again, followed by September, October is always a heavy month, which is historically proven. You can go and look at each chart each single year, and what happens in September, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. However, whenever we are in a bull market, there is a historical data that after every bad September, we always have a booming October. Now, that's historical data as well. At the same time, China right now is flooding the market. Now, FUD is false information so that it can promote the sell-off of people like yourself and myself to sell off the crypto, mainly Bitcoin, so that investors can accumulate more Bitcoin in order to make more profits, because this little dip is temporary and it's only going to bounce back up. And it's not the time to crash yet. Now, this Chinese FUD have been going on over and over again. This is not the first time. This is exactly, if you put numbers into it, this is the 15th time within the cryptocurrency cycles that China have tried to make some bad image or bad news of crypto in order to crash the market. It does not mean that China hates crypto. You know why? Because 4 times more than USA, crypto is owned in China. So that's a huge number. That's why like I said, China was doing almost 60-70% of mining in the world up till they start banning mining. And every time China bans crypto, who benefits? You know who benefits? USA benefits the most, because you see the miners, when they were cracked down, they all moved to USA. Exchanges, when they start being cutting down, they start moving their head offices and research centers into the USA. Investors, every time China bans people in China to invest, the US investors, they grab on the institutions, the companies, and the retailers in order to buy that dip, and then make a profit. This is just a balancing act, and you need to understand that the governments, the CCP party, is with the American people. It's not with the American people, it's with the American politicians, because on the front show, they always try to show, oh, there's a war, economic war between China and America and the West and the East. All of that is bull crap. Simple as that, because it's all a show to be put on front of yourself and mine, so that we think, oh wow, the economy is crashing, wow, there's a economic war. Nothing like that. These governments, they all play the work together, they all support each other, they all also act along together as if they are hating or fighting with each other, but at the end they are all rubbing their shoulders together and making a mockery out of the system, which has been the case for quite a while, and it's been happening again and again. I just feel amazed how we are always so blinded. And through this channel with crypto, I would not just like to teach you cryptos, but I would like to open your eyes of what kind of world we live in, so that you can take your steps, non-crypto steps, accurately and nicely. I'm not here to change the world. As far as me and you and anybody watching is aware and awake of what's going on, that's more than enough. Because, that takes a large number of people to be awake first in order to revolutionize into a new system. Similarly, if you can bring in more people in crypto by liking, sharing videos and spreading the word, you just bring in more people who are switched on, who are crypto followers are normally people who are switched on in the world. That's why they are very less. At the same time, they know what's going on in the world, politics, economy, money, system, and manipulation, and all of that situation in the world. People are quite switched on who are followers of crypto. That's not me saying, that's the stats, that's facts, what's saying these things. Now, let's get back to China. So Chinese government, they banned the cryptocurrency, crypto exchange and trading in China on the 15th of September. However, it took 10 days for this FUD to actually be actionized. So for example, it didn't work out at the 15th because they banned that on the 15th, but no market crashed. In fact, the market was going up on that day. Then came the Evergrande bailout, which is that Chinese real estate company, which all of a sudden was about to go bust. And in fact, they put all their money in crypto, which also pushed the market up. And then the Chinese government came along and bailed them out. That was just another move to take over that company by the Chinese government, because Chinese government, the CCP government, they love to own private businesses in China in order to keep control. Now, China has banned so many things in the world: Amazon, Facebook, Instagram, and you name it. Google, for example, is all banned in China. However, these companies, they keep booming and booming, and it only helps the American companies to boom. China have their own internet system. They want to keep control. They have their own system of governing their country, and everybody have the right to do so as far as the public is happy around there. But you need to understand, China is a very controlled government and very controlling country. They want to make sure where the people are going, what they are doing, what they are eating, what they are buying, what they are talking about, where they are going, and all of that. Now they want to know what they are spending, how much money they have, and by controlling crypto, by controlling their own digital currency, which is they're looking to launch now a digital yuan. That's what they're mainly after. They want to put all the controls in place. They don't want their people to have free spending power, because when you have the free spending power like we have in the West, you lose control on the leadership level, because your people are getting switched on and moving ahead in the world and making money without having the restrictions of the Chinese government. I deal with a lot of Chinese traders and businessmen, and they've been telling me lately that how amazing crypto has been for them, because they can now do transactions way more cheaper, faster, easier, without going through so much unnecessary regulations, which only defects the business, which only increases the price for the consumer like myself and yourself. So yes, crypto has been helping a lot of businesses in China, and China is just now playing catch up to stop those transactions, to stop those businesses. Now, let me tell you something very interesting. Even though China banned all the trading of cryptocurrency in China, they still have kept it legal to have ownership of crypto. So the law is not like, oh, China has banned crypto. That's what's being said in the media. Mainly, yes, you're not allowed to trade crypto. You're not allowed to exchange and pay from crypto, but you are still legally allowed to hold crypto. That's why all these big guys in China and the switched on people are actually holding their money. They're not selling, trading, but they are just holding. In fact, they are confirming by this law that they will hold and make money. They will actually stake their money in crypto and keep holding till it goes bang. And when it goes bang, they can simply take the money out, so they can still make money, they can still invest. But right now it's just making it harder for the new people to jump on it, for the new people to start. So for example, Binance, Huobi Exchange have now stopped taking any more new Chinese investors or exchange accounts. So like I said in my previous videos, guys, go and make your accounts on exchanges, because these exchanges can ban new people to come in. And it could be that only brokers or people authorized by the Chinese government are allowed to have their accounts on Binance and crypto, or crypto.com or coinbase.com, and this could follow in the rest of the world, just like the financial market, that only brokers were allowed to buy stocks and shares and you were not allowed directly to buy. Crypto just gave access to everybody to get into the financial market. So yes, guys, keep opening your accounts on the exchanges. I've got all the exchanges which I have my accounts on in the video's description. So please go ahead, use my link. You might get some money, and I also get some money when you use my link. But that's not there for this. My links are there for description and information, so that you can go and join these exchanges. Yes, guys. So now we are seeing these again and again, but this little crash in the market is just as an accumulation period right now. I would suggest anybody of you who are looking to get into crypto or is already into crypto, buy some more Bitcoin, buy some more Ethereum, buy some more crypto within the crashes, because the market will boom in October according to the charts, according to the fundamentals, and according to the history. So that's all for today, guys. This is information. I hope you like it. I hope you are enjoying my videos and taking them more seriously, because every single video is quite important. It comes with a lot of work. If you want to see how much work I put in my crypto videos, you can see these are all my notes, all on crypto. So I continuously do a lot of research and homework in my crypto, so that I can get you stuff from my red book. This is my book where I do all my crypto readings and research, and this is my station and my studio office and everything, where I do every single thing, so that I can provide you the right data. I'm quite excited with the crypto market right now. I've got more videos coming out soon on Ethereum, on Cardano, on XRP, and in general some other altcoins. So continue to tune in, so that I can keep you updated with all the info and anything and everything going on in the crypto world. As always, guys, thank you so much. Adios. Love you all. See you soon.